Hey guys, it's Stephanie Lopez here. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today we have a video sponsored by NiaWigs. If you guys don't know what NiaWigs is, NiaWigs is a hair company that you can get really affordable hair online. They have U-parts, lace front, they have all types of hair. I'm gonna list everything down below, even the hair that I'm wearing today. So today's gonna be pretty much an install video. I'm gonna show you guys how I install my U-part wigs. It's gonna be quick and easy. Not too much talking going on, just explaining what I'm doing. Right now I have my hair in this little, you know, little unicorn, little horn right here. And then I have my braids going on. I'm gonna show you my braids, you guys. That's the braid. And this is the leave out I'm gonna cover my U-part with. And then my wig came in this box right here, you guys. It's from Nia's, I keep saying Nia's, but it's NiaWigs. And then you open the box like so, which this box is so pretty and it's gold inside, y'all. Oh my god, it's like a girl's dream. So this is the baggie it came in. I love these kind of bags. It shows that the customers, not the customers, it shows that the company really cares about their customers, because they care about putting the, you know, their hair inside of a bag to protect it from anything, you know. Also, it came with this comb, you guys. Now this is not a comb, actually this is a brush, and I could literally, like, you guys could see, I could see myself in this brush right now. It's crazy. So this is I think they would call this a Denman brush. Super pretty, you guys. Oh my god, like this is bomb. Like really pretty, really pretty. So this is pretty much a Denman brush where you could get your curls back and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna open the bag, and in the back of the bag right here, it has some words. It says, "We live only to discover beauty. All else is in a form of waiting." So that's a good quote. That's actually great. I should post that on my Instagram. So I got a U-part wig, 16 inches. Hold on, let me take off these lashes because they want to come off right now and they could go. You don't want to be here, you don't have to be here. All right. So this is the hair right here. Super pretty on me. Move that back a little bit. All right. This is the hair right here. So 16 inches. This is a right part U-part wig. So they have parts where you can put the middle part. You can buy a wig that's middle part, right part, or left part. It's pretty much up to you what you want to do, but I chose a right part because I feel like this is my good side. You know, I put my baby hairs on this side, so I just choose this part, you know what I'm saying. And then it comes with these two things here. You just have to cut it, and this is the inside construction of the wig, you guys. And I believe I got this in a small cap size, 16 inches, and the color is pretty much natural because my hair color is kind of dark black, well, black, and then mixed with like a 1B mix, but it's mostly like, now it's getting, you know, natural color, brown. I usually like my hair to be literally black, so I'm gonna cut off this. I'm gonna show you guys the combs. Actually, these are the combs here. Now I do prefer the combs that clamp to your scalp, but those can be very irritating to your hair. So I get why they put these combs that just kind of sinks into your scalp, I guess. And then the weft here is very thin, so you won't really have any trouble with this hair, like blending in or anything like that. Sorry, I'm trying to cut this thing off so I could put it on. Hold up. All right, that's gone. And y'all can't see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna just cut this part out. Yeah, that's good. So this is supposed to be straight hair, but it seems like I have a little wave to it. Of course, all hair gets like that because First of all, when it gets to you, the way they package it, it's always gonna be like that, but you can just flat iron it to your liking and make it just blend, y'all. So let's go ahead and apply this wig. And mind you, I don't even have a freaking mirror right now in front of me. I'm using my camera lens mirror to put this on because I can't see. So how I'm gonna do this? All right, we're gonna put it on like this. Let's secure the back first. Is it in? Ugh. I'm sweating, y'all. I'm sweating bullets right now because this is a lot of work. You guys see how my hair blending so perfectly with this hair? It's like it's mine and it's coming out of my scalp. It's crazy, y'all. So we're gonna keep flattening and blending. Our hair in with this hair.